all determination is negation. This has been given by Spinoza. Now Spinoza, he starts his philosophy from the axiomatic geometrical truths. Okay? Now again, because he is also a rationalistic philosopher, he will base his theory on reason, universalness, certainty, right, and necessary connection. These three qualities we had already seen in rationalistic set of philosophers in our last question. Now Spinoza says over here that अगर आप किसी चीज को दायरे में रख देंगे, आप उसको लिमिट कर देंगे, ठीक है, फाइनाइट एक दायरे में रह सकता है, द फिनिट्यूड इट कैन बी लिमिटेड, बट इनफिनिट्यूड कैन नॉट बी लिमिटेड, बिकॉज ही इज टॉकिंग हियर अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्शन ऑफ गॉड. ठीक है, if you are determining something, you are giving it a specific nature. जैसे a triangle has three sides. Now you have specified it, you have limited it. So now since you had made a limitation on it, then it is leading to negation, right? Can God be limited by this? No. Now see over here, when a thing is determined, ठीक है, अगर मैंने बता दिया कि ये ऐसा होता है, ये वैसा होता है, एंड दिस इज हाउ गॉड इज, इफ आई एम ट्राइंग टू डिफाइन इट इन सर्टेन सेट ऑफ थिंग्स, ठीक है, आई एम ट्राइंग टू लिमिटेड नॉलेज. दिस इज वेरी मच कंपेरेबल टू शंकराचार्य नेति नेति. जब शंकराचार्य से ये पूछा जाता है दैट इज गॉड दिस, इज ब्रह्म दैट, ही सेज ही इज नॉट दिस, ही इज नॉट दैट. ही सेज दैट इट इज अनिर्वचनीय, यू कांट से व्हाट इट इज. नेति नेति, दैट इज व्हाट स्पिनोजा ट्राइंग टू से, कि हम एक फाइनाइट ह्यूमन को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, पर समथिंग व्हिच इज इंफिनिटी, you can't define it, you can't determine that thing. This is what he is trying to say. Is it clear? And so he starts his metaphysics based on this, and Spinoza, he gives his conception of pantheism, which is compared to Ramanujan. He says that, okay, he says that a substance is a thing which is in itself and which is conceived through itself. Is it clear? What is this substance? There is only one finite substance, which is God and which is nature. Natura naturans and natura naturata. Is it clear? This you have to mention in your answer. Now, then what about us? We humans are merely the attributes of that substance, and that too only two attributes are there. One is thought, which is the mind, and what is body, which is the extension. Is it clear? Apart from this, he also says that, again you can say that human beings are the finite modes of the infinite. Is it clear? So you can't talk about the conception of God regarding, if you determine this, if you determine it, then you are limiting it. Is it clear? So what is God? God is that infinite substance. Note over here, it is an infinite substance and it cannot be determined like the finite minds or finite existence of the human being. Is it clear?